Okay, so this is my project for our P271 class. That basically, this is just talking about a website that teachers could use, also just to get a little bit more information. When you go on to the website, this is what your page will come to. At the top, you can tell that it talks about us, the blog, the PhysEd Summit, the Global Voxcast, their team, and the archives. And it also shows that it's for a professional development, growth, and a learning journey. So basically, this website is used to connect the dots between physical education and health professionals within the online community. The team is made up of many different teachers and educators who have diverse set of experiences throughout the United States. So you'll get a different idea from every teacher, because as we all know, no teacher teaches the same. And then you can put that into your classroom for your students. This is just a picture of some of the teams that are some of the people that make up the team from all over. What they do is that they basically believe that they can move the physical education profession through meaningful, relevant, and visible public discussion. Just some of the ways that they do that on their website: they blog and they share a lot of their resources with you. They have the PhysEd Summit, which is basically an online conference that you can join in, and it's free of charge. They do the PhysEd camps and demo slams at conferences, and they participate in Voxcast podcasts and things like that. The PhysEd Summit seems like it'd be really cool for those PhysEd majors, just because it is giving you different outlooks on things, and like I said, it's free, so you can't really go wrong with that. So the website gives you many different things to click on to adventure through it. There's an About Us column, a blog, more information on like the teams and how like you can join. Also, they have the archives, which breaks down into different things that you can do into your classrooms and things like that. Also, they give you a way to contact them, which you just send them an email. So if you want to join or become part of their blogs and things like that, just send them a quick email. The Global Voxcast, and then that PhysEd Summit, which is that conference. This is just some of their picture of their blog that they did this time. On the right, you can see where the PhysEd Summit of 2017 was in August 26th. If you want to do that, join in, look and see when their next one is. And their mission is strengthening the physical education and health profession through meaningful and relevant professional learning opportunities and modern pedagogy. Just ways to get involved: just sign up with your email so you can check in. They'll send you when their new blogs update and things like that. And then that's just the website. So I hope y'all enjoy.